Hello everyone, today you're gonna learn how to do a nollie flip, as it is one of my favorite go-to skateboarding tricks in a game of skate, and I have two secrets that will help you get nollie flips on lock. Get the nollie flip super fast, let's go! So as for the foot positioning, the front foot is very similar to a nollie, right below the bolts with a slight angle outwards. As for the back foot, it is positioned in this pocket over here, a slight angle as well. So after teaching nollie flips to a lot of different skaters, I realized that the biggest problem that people have when learning this trick is that when they pop, the board goes a bit crazy and it flips in whatever direction. And this is mainly because you are not shifting your weight on the right parts of the board before you pop. For the weight balance of this trick, you will need to be leaning completely forward over your board, just like this. And this will allow you to keep the nollie flip below your feet. As for the second part of this tip, you will also need to put pressure and weight on this part of the board right here, using the back foot in the pocket to cause this board to kind of lift up backwards here, right before you pop. So here, as you can see, I'm completely leaning forward over my board, as well as putting pressure on the toes in order to get that perfect flick. Here, as you can see as well, I am leaning forward, putting pressure on the toes, and bam! And putting this pressure is very important, as it will cause the board to be slightly tilted already in the direction of the flick. It will also pop the board in the perfect angle to do that flick, which comes to our second trick tip of the day, and let's get right into it. Yeah, so this tip is for the people who are able to throw nollie flips but are unable to get that full rotation of the flip, and that is because you do not have the correct flick from the front foot and the board does only half a flip or not even half a flip. And this tip is the most important to get these nollie flips on lock. It was really the one that helped me out the most on my journey to get these nollie flips almost all the time. And so what you first have to know for the flick, it is totally different than a regular kick flip. And I believe this is why most of people struggle to get the full rotation of the nollie flip. So therefore you will have to flip directly outside, right over here, with your back foot going straight out of the board like this. And most people think you will have to flick similar to a regular kickflip to the top over here in front of you, but that's completely wrong. That's wrong. For the nollie flip, you will have to flip directly on the outside here in order to keep that board flip below you. Learning this new way of flicking is very, very important, as once you get this flick correctly, you will never miss a nollie flip again. So now it's time to get some few clips so you guys understand better of what I'm saying, and we're gonna try this new camera because I got this new camera and apparently the slow-mo is pretty good, so we're gonna try that right now. So in this first angle, I want you to take a look at how the flick is directly outside of the board. And here, as you can see, I am not extending my leg at all. I am flicking directly to the outside of the board. So yeah, I'm sure with these two secret hacks, you will be able to get this nollie flip very, very fast. All you have to do is train every day, and I am sure you can get this trick very, very fast. Let me know in the comments what trick tutorial I should do next. Shove it, kick flips, varial flips, tray flips, I don't know. Let me know in the comments. Maybe I can also do grind tricks. I will listen to you guys. And anyways, thank you so much for the time, and see you guys in the next video. Peace.